Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add multiple assets in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple tutorial. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then after that in the main dashboard you can navigate to the all apps here to open all your available apps, and you can go to accounting section, and then you can see the fixed asset menu here. Click on it, and then you will see all of your assets. As you can see, I have only three assets here. So let's say I want to add, more than three assets. So instead, I add it manually one by one. I can just add the multiple, add multiple assets. Click the drop down here, and you will see add multiple assets. You can click on it, and then you can just add it one by one like this. So the first column you can choose if it's non depreciable asset like land maybe. So let's say I want to add land like this, and then the description may be my land, just for example. Oops, my what happened here, my land. It's like that. And then for the purchase price, it's up to you, maybe like this, just for example. And the salvage value, it's not available. The purchase date, you can set it up. It's up to you, maybe this one, and then also this asset account, you can set it up. It's up to you. Maybe you add new one, land, maybe just for example, I'm gonna choose truck. So I think that's it. This is for the one asset, and you can add more asset, maybe car. It's obviously depreciable asset, so we're not gonna check it. And then you can choose the description. You can add the description, the purchase price, then the purchase date, and also the asset account, maybe cars, truck, whatever. Then you can just click save here, and it's saved to your QuickBooks Online. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.